Hello friends. So today's going to be a quick video, and it's really not even necessary, but I do try to take you on this journey with me every step of the way. So this is a 2013 Ford Escape. This car was already sold. I never got a chance to detail it. It's in really nice shape, and even the interior is not in bad shape, and that's why they were able to sell it without it being detailed. So let me kind of give you a little bit of a backstory. So the lady that bought this car, let's just say she's a total so before anything ever happened to this vehicle, or supposedly happened, she was making a complaint with the DA's office. And so they requested all of this information from my dad. So my mom and dad put everything together. The reason they wanted this information is because she said this thing overheated and it was taken to the shop and they did not make it right. And that she was responsible for her 90%, because you only get a 10% warranty on this stuff. And that's just in the first 30 days. Being a used car, you buy it as is. Now, the perk is the dealership will give you a warranty on certain things, drivetrain, things like that. So she says this vehicle is overheating. Then she, about a week or so after she bought it, she said it was overheating. There was a problem. So my dad told her to take it to Mark, and Mark is the mechanic. Mark found what he thought might be the problem, and he fixed it. The only problem is it was an expensive fix. So she had to put, it sounds like, one of those title loans on the car to pay him. So anyway, the DA's office asked my mom and my stepdad for all this stuff. So they go through all of the phone records and everything and gather up everything. And it appears the DA's office never took the time to look through all the information they sent, and ultimately sued my dad of this car, because of this car. So this lady, she puts the car in storage saying it won't run. A tow truck was supposed to pick it up. They went ahead and bought the vehicle back. They've been waiting on the title and the power of attorney for the title since they settled and just bought the car back. The power of attorney finally came in. We got the title. This girl said this vehicle would not run. She drove it to my house. There was supposed to have been a tow truck that was supposed to have picked it up. She drove it to my house and put it in my driveway. And that's where it sat until we had all of the paperwork on it. So for 2 weeks it's been in my driveway. The intention is this thing is going to the auction. It's obviously a bad luck car, and it's not going to be sold again. It's got a couple of issues, one being the windshield wipers do not work. Don't know why. They worked before. That is one of the things that we check on the checklist. Don't know what this lady has done with it. This lady also is suing the mechanic, and he's going to fight her on that because he will not guarantee work done by another shop. She called, said it was still overheating. He said, bring it back. She never brought it back. She took it to another shop. That cancels the guarantee that he has. When you take it to another shop, no other shop is going to guarantee the work after you've taken it to another shop. So if you're told by a dealership to take it to a particular shop and then it continues to go wrong, you take it back to the shop that you're told to take it back to, especially when it's warranty. When it's warranty work, you have to do what the dealership says. Otherwise, your warranty is no longer good. She didn't do what she was supposed to. So we're going to do a quick wipe down and a vacuum on this car. And then this evening, right at the end of business day, we're going to drop it off at the auction for auction tomorrow morning. So, welcome to my crazy life. So I finished up the car and we delivered it to the auction, and it sold the next day, and it is no longer our bad luck problem. Thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. And until the next video, you know how it goes. Peace.